In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more features in Jira Service Management. This is a fantastic way to customize your project setup and enhance your team's workflow, allowing you to tailor the platform to better meet your organizational needs. So let's jump right in and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the project you wish to modify. Once you are in your Jira dashboard, simply select the project you're targeting for adjustments. This is where you typically manage all your tasks and issues related to that specific project. Being in the right project is crucial before you proceed to ensure that any changes you make are applied correctly and effectively. Now look closely at the top near your project's name. On its right, you'll spot three dots aligned vertically, often referred to as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on these dots. This action will reveal a drop-down menu. What you're looking for here is the Project Settings option. Clicking on this will take you into a detailed overview of your project settings where you can control various aspects to tailor the project environment. With your project settings open, direct your attention towards the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll see a navigation panel with various configuration options. Scroll through these options until you find Features. Selecting Features will guide you to the section where you can manage the different functionalities available for your project. In the Features section, you'll see a list of all available features that can be turned on or off, depending on what suits your project best. This includes options such as security, releases, sprints, and other features that can be pivotal to enhancing your project management capabilities. Each feature typically has a toggle switch allowing you to activate or deactivate it with ease. This flexibility lets you enable only the features that are relevant to your team's processes, thereby streamlining the interface and preventing clutter. If, for instance, you're focusing on using agile methodologies, you might want to ensure features related to sprints are switched on. On the other hand, if your project requires enhanced data protection, toggling the security feature could be paramount. The key is to assess the needs of your team and project to determine which features will optimize your workflow. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently add or modify features in your Jira Service Management project, customizing your workspace to ensure it best supports your team's efforts. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials.